Hello everybody, and welcome to another video of technical analysis for Bitcoin by Coinage. Today we're gonna see how the price, what the price is doing the last few days from the last technical analysis we had. So today the price is going down, as you can see, pretty hard. We're losing about, let's see, like 4% of the value. The overall picture keeps telling us that everything is extremely bearish, especially the higher time frames are still bearish. Let's go to the weekly just to take a look. As you can see, let me remove this. As you can see, we had a small bounce at the 50-week moving average, but right now we are going lower until we break below the level of 6,500. I think we still are in a no trade zone, but the things are not looking good, to be honest. Let's go to the daily, and I'd like to discuss about two trades. One trade we took and another one that we didn't in the last few days. So sometimes I like to use the time indicator. Most of you might know this indicator from Tonbase, who use it a lot, and I think it's a very good tool for all traders. So according to time indicator, we had a bullish signal right here when the today candle, the current daily candle had made a higher high, and we had a green 2 trading above a green 1. So right here we had our bullish signal, but many traders might took this trade. But as I say every time, there is no indicator alone that it can give you buy and sell signals. You always need some discretion and some overall picture about the market before you take any trade. One indicator by itself cannot guarantee you a good or a bad trade. It can only guarantee you randomness. Okay, I agree that it's bullish to have a higher daily high and a green 2 trading above a green 1, but again the overall picture is bearish. The higher time frames are extremely bearish, and there is no reason to take a long trade at the current state of the market. Also, if you remove this indicator and you just take a look at the graph, you are continue to make lower lows and lower highs. Okay, so we can draw it. You can draw. You can draw some of them. So as you can see, the pattern is still the same every time. We're making lower lows and lower highs, so this is the definition of a bear market. Okay, that's the definition of a bear market. So taking any long trades in a bear market is extremely difficult and very dangerous for all traders. As you can see, every time we have lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Okay, so let me remove these lines, and we will continue with our analysis. Okay, so I'm glad that I didn't took this trade in a bearish market, and I was pretty disciplined. There is another short trade that I'd like to discuss with you. I had uploaded here on TradingView. If you'd like to follow us, the TradingView account is under the nickname of Top Value Staking. That's my personal email. This is why it hasn't to do anything with Coinage, but I'm getting my analysis a lot of time on TradingView. So I took this trade. As I said, this was a symmetrical triangle breakout on the 2-hour candlesticks. And let's take a look why I took this trade. So I think it was right here. Okay, let me make this fatter, and I'll grab my triangle tool. So for triangles, my rule is I need 3 points, at least 3 points of touch up and down. So we have like 4 or 5 points here and 6 or 7 points down in the upturned line. So we had the breakout right here. So somebody who is trading only these triangles, he could enter the market right here. I wait. Oops. Where is it? Okay. So I took this short trade a bit lower than the breakout, but I had an additional thing to take in consideration. It was a time indicator again, where I had already in play from the previous day a 2 trading below the 1. You can see it right here. So when I'm going to enter the market, I need to build a case for entry. I'm not trading only one indicator or only one pattern. I need multiple cases for entry, multiple reasons to enter the market. So in this short trade, even, okay, I know it didn't work out, but it was a good trade because I had multiple reasons to enter the market. I had the triangle pattern breakout, I had the time indicator, sell signal, and I had the overall bearish market. The higher time frames were bearish, the daily chart was bearish, and the risk reward, as you can see, was great, like 2.5 per one. So I need only, like, let me make the math. So I need only this trade to work like 39% of the times to be break even. So that's pretty good. Sorry, 1 second. No, it's even less than that. It's even less because, no, I didn't do the math right. So I need, I think it's 3.5. It's less than that, yeah. I'm sorry. So I need only 28% of the time to be correct at this trade. To break even. So the risk reward was great. The overall picture was with the short trade was bearish. So this is the kind of trades you need to take, and if it doesn't work out, that's okay, because no trade is working 100% of the time. No system is working every time. You'll take some losses, and you will keep moving on. So the overall picture is bearish, and I think the most probable outcome is to break down below the 6,500 and to go lower until the level of 6,000, and then if we go lower than 6,000, then the next stop probably is the 5,000. And the last thing I'd like to discuss with you, from my small experience, I have noticed that when a level is discussed a lot between traders, usually this level is achieved at some point. Usually the price will meet this level. It's like a prophecy with which fulfill itself. So at this time I'm hearing a lot of traders calling about 5,000. I have discussed in previous videos why I think that the level of 5,000 is a very good level to have a rebound, and it's very likely to go right there. I've discussed this in my previous videos, and also in the Twitter account. I think it was, where is it? Yeah, it was right here. It was this tweet at 31 March. I am discussing with you. I tweeted why I think the 5,000 level is very likely from technical point of view. But again, when a lot of traders are discussing about the level, usually this level is being met at some point in the future, and we'll be looking for that. So I think that if we go below the 6,500 level, then next stop might be the 5,000. and we'll see. So this is for today. I hope you'd like this video. If you'd like this video, please subscribe to our channel, because as you can see, I'm making these videos for a bunch of people right now. Maybe like 5 or 6 people are watching the videos and we have no viewers. I don't have a problem with that, because these videos are a very good way to keep a record of my technical analysis. But always I'd like to see some more viewers. So this is for today. Thank you guys, and have a good evening.